Oh, Daniel, what are you doing?
What? I'm cleaning off my monitor.
Attention! One of you is adopted!
I am pregnant and I'm about to pop.
Dear Lord, please, 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 let me get that promotion. I'm Miles Meowless, a.k.a. Spider-Cat. Got milk? You need to talk to Gary. He called you Siamese. How could you?
I'm not bathing enough. I am not bathing enough.
Daryl has a sneeze lisp.
I am the pirate Redbeard, and I caution any scallywag to cross me lest they be maimed by me wooden leg.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I had fish sticks for lunch. Is the pressure okay? No refunds.
Lift on 3. Oh, okay. Just let me get a grip on it. Pivot! Pivot! There should be more under that sink next to you, but here you go. So if the kitchen loses cabin pressure, does this here fall out of the ceiling?
He gets all the warm milk he can drink, while I make a measly $7 an hour. I might have obsessive cat-pulsive disorder.